What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video unboxing. In today's video, I'll be unboxing one of my newest handbags. If that's something that you're interested in, you'll want to stick around. If this is your first time coming across my channel, here I talk all things mommy, unboxing, lifestyle, you're gonna get a little bit of everything. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love for you to stick around and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. If you're interested in how I achieve this look, I'll be sure to link the video up above. Okay, so I have the bag here and let's unbox it. So this one got shipped to me. Ooh. So she got shipped to me. Let's see what it is. So this is the inside, and it comes with this Gucci bag. I'm dropping stuff. So this is kind of like a tote. Yeah, this is like a tote. And then it comes with the receipt. It just is the gift to keep on giving. Yes. So anyways, this is she. You guys, I am so excited to add this to my collection, and I'm so obsessed with this bag. You guys, I'm so excited to be adding this bag to my collection. I have the Gucci Ophidia Toiletry case.
So it does have the buttons on the side. Open it up.
So it has the classic GGs here and the antique gold, and then it has the signature monogram on the sides. It's canvas. Then this is the inside. Let's take out the stuffing. So this is the inside of the bag, and then it has this pocket here. That is the pocket, and then it has the zipper on the pocket. So you guys know at this point I'm all about bags that can offer me versatility. There's been so many bags in my collection that I just purchased because I went up to the website and I just became obsessed with this one bag, not knowing if it was going to be functional enough for me. And at this point in my life, I'm all for purchasing luxury that can benefit me in my everyday life. So although this is a toiletry bag, I will be converting this bag to a crossbody, and I'll show you guys later on in the video how I plan to do that. But even when I don't intend on wearing this bag crossbody, I can wear the bag as a clutch, or if I really wanted to, I can throw this bag in my suitcase and she can be a toiletry or whatever I want to use the bag for. Okay, so let's talk about price. I did purchase this bag on the Gucci website. It was shipped to me directly. I purchased this bag for $810. I think the bag is retail going for $870. Oh no, the bag now is $895. So if you're interested, you might want to get it before it go back up. I think on the website this bag goes by the GG Supreme because it has the original monogram, and then this is the Supreme stitching, which I'm totally obsessed with. I do have other Gucci bags, but I don't have anything with the Supreme stitching. And there were a few bags on my radar that I was looking at, and I was going to spend like $1,700 for the bag. So the fact that I purchased this bag at $700 and I'm going to convert it how I want to wear it, you know, I was just so excited to take advantage of this deal. So I had to come to you guys. I had to shoot a review just to let you know the multiple different ways you could wear this bag, and that you don't have to be pigeonholed when you're purchasing luxury items. Purchase the items that you like best on a website, and wear them how you want to. Okay, so like I was saying, if you go on a website and you see something, just like with this toiletry bag, they have an exact purse version of this bag, and it comes with a gold chain. I'll try to have the picture somewhere, or I'll have it below in the description box. But they literally have their version of this purse, and it's for like $1,000 more. So I think they're selling that bag for $1,800 when you can just purchase the toiletry, get your own insert, add a chain to it, and boom, you have a purse. And then you also have a clutch. You also have a toiletry that can go in your bag, and you did it all for, you saved yourself $1,000 by doing it. So if there's anything that you guys are going to learn on my channel, or if there's anything that you're going to come to my channel and pull from, let it be how you can purchase authentic luxury items on a budget. So let me show you how I plan to convert this toiletry into a crossbody bag. So I purchased a purse insert on Amazon. This insert is going to go inside the bag, but one reason that I really purchased it is because it has these purse hooks on the side, which is going to be beneficial to me when I go to convert the bag to a crossbody bag. And I'm going to insert this into the bag, like so, like that. Auntie tab, like so, like that. So this is how it looks when it's inside the bag. I'm going to make sure that the hook is coming through here. I also purchased another chain on Amazon. I got this chain in the antique gold, just like the GG's on the bag. So connect it, and I'm going to close. Okay, she's locked. I'm now going to zip the bag up. And just like that, I now have a toiletry on chain. What'd I tell you? I told you. You can get different size chains. I got this chain from Amazon, so I'll be sure to link it below. I think the chain was $6, and I think the insert was $20. So for another $26, I was able to convert this into a crossbody bag. In the event that I no longer want the purse to be a crossbody purse, I can remove the chain and take out the insert, and boom, I got a clutch. I love that for me. Okay, let's see what fits. So what I like about these inserts is that it already comes with like additional pockets for you. Look, this one has another zipper. This one has a zipper, but like as far as like additional room in the bag with the insert, you still get a lot of room. Usually for this size bag, I'm not carrying a bunch of things with me anyway, so I'm gonna show you with the insert and then like without. So I have my phone here. My phone fits inside just like that. I don't really have much else around me to kind of show you. Comment down below and let me know if you'll be interested in what's in my bag. If so, then I can absolutely do that and be more prepared. But just kind of showing you guys what fits right now. So here you get that zipper. On the opposite side, you get a few pockets, and then it looks like you get a card holder as well. All right, guys, overall, I'm so pleased and I'm so excited to be adding this bag to my collection. You guys can tell I am a simple girl, plain Jane. You know, once I've built my collection to be some of the key items that I wanted, from there I can start to purchase things that could be a little bit more fun and a little risque. But at this point, I'm strictly just focusing on making sure I'm purchasing items that can fit the lifestyle while offering me versatility, which is most important to me. So comment down below and let me know some of your favorite versatile luxury items. I'm dying to know. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love for you to stick around. Consider giving me a big thumbs up if you like this content. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends and invite them over. We have a good time over here. I'll be sure to list all of the items that I discussed below in the description box. That does it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.